So, guys, what's going on? So, here's a super interesting story. A piece of the sun breaks off and stuns scientists. So, a piece of the sun, somewhere near the North Pole of the sun, a piece broke off, a big piece, a piece that was big enough that we saw from Earth. And it broke off the sun, and it's kind of like spinning around, hovering, I guess, at the top part of the sun. So the way I read it was like this. So let's pretend that the North Pole, a piece of land or a piece of the planet, actually broke off the Earth, right? And it kind of, I guess, floated away from the Earth, but it's still kind of in its atmosphere, its gravitational pull. So now it's kind of just like spinning, like a vortex. Almost picture like a tornado, right? A tornado is spinning, and the piece of sun is just spinning around the top of the sun, in the north part. That's what's happening. So, and these people are saying, like, this cannot be overstated. This is something we've never seen before. This is concerning. Because it's something that they've never seen happen to the sun. And, when you go and you read more into different things, I'm just pulling from the New York Post, but when you read, what people are writing and maybe different articles or different, message boards, things like that, people are saying, is the sun breaking apart? This piece broke apart, it broke off of the sun. Well, more pieces break off the sun. Is the sun breaking apart? You better hope not and be in big trouble, because if pieces just start breaking off of the sun, then what? You wouldn't have any more sun. Could the sun be getting ready to, explode, implode? Who knows? But that's what's happening. At least that's what, people are saying, or they're speculating. Now, they definitely see that a piece has broken off. Why it happened, how it happened, they can only guess. Nobody can physically go to the sun and do tests and test the ground or test what's going inside the sun, around the sun. It just ain't gonna happen. So these are just people sitting on Earth watching from a telescope, and they're making their best guess. They can say, yeah, we've seen it before. This may happen, that may happen, but truly nobody knows what is going on with the sun, what may happen in the future with the sun. This is just a one-off thing. Where is that piece going to go? Is it going to go back to the sun? Is it going to float out of the sun's atmosphere and, I guess, I don't know, fly into space? Maybe he'll fly towards Earth. Anything is possible. But I thought that was an interesting story, and I would want to share it. This is the second thing that I've seen that happened in the last month or so. A couple of weeks ago, it said that the core in the Earth stopped spinning. So the Earth's core stopped spinning and started to reverse spin, and all things can happen from that. So between that and the sun, who knows? Anyway, I figured I'd share it. Why not? It's an interesting story. If you know anything more about this, please leave a comment below, because I love to read your comment. As always, I hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone's staying safe. God bless you guys, and I will talk to you guys later.